Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this very easy, very pretty small looking pattern. You can use this pattern in your jeans sweater, ladies sweater, baby's blanket. You can knit in any project you like. See, this is the pattern. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast on multiples of 2 or you can cast on any even number of stitches. So let's begin. For the demonstration I have 10 stitches on my needle. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch slip, knit, and you start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over this way, wrap the yarn around like so, yarn over and then knit 2 together through the back loop and make 3 stitch here. Knit 2 together through the back loop and make 3 stitch here. 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Yarn over, knit 2 together and make 3 here. Again, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop and make 3 here. See, again we have 2 more repeats. Yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop and make 3 here. 1, 2 and 3. One more repeat. Yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop and make 3 here. 1, 2 and 3. Your edge stitch knit. Row 2 wrong side, edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2 together, that's the repeat. Purl 2 together and purl 2 together. This stitch and this yarn over. Purl 2 together. Edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Now row 3 right side. On row 3 right side we're going to alternate these patterns. Now we're going to knit this pattern here with these 2 stitches and these 2 stitches and these 2 stitches. So before you start the repeat, first row 3 right side, your edge stitch knit, slip, knit twice on the right side, and before you start the repeat, first knit 1 and then now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop and make 3 here. 1, 2 and 3. Again, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop and make 3 here. 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop and make 3 here. 1, 2 and 3. And last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 4 wrong side, edge stitch slip and then before you start the repeat, first purl 1 and start the repeat from here. Purl 2 together, purl 2 together. Purl 2 together, purl 2 together. and last 2 stitch purl 1, edge stitch purl. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 4 rows, row 1 to row 4 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.